Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, a haven for self-improvement enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey into the world of social finesse and the captivating art of oratory mastery. Whether you're aiming to conquer everyday conversations or command a stage, these in-depth insights will serve as your compass on this transformative expedition. Segment 1: Cultivating the Pillars of Profound Social Skills. Active listening. Imagine this scenario. You're engrossed in a conversation, and your partner feels truly heard. Active listening isn't just about hearing words, it's about immersing yourself in the speaker's thoughts, nodding along, and providing thoughtful responses. This undivided attention forms the bedrock of meaningful interactions. Sample scenario. You're at a networking event, engrossed in a conversation with a new acquaintance. As they share their experiences, you make eye contact, nod, and interject with genuine questions that show your active engagement. Empathy. Picture yourself stepping into someone else's shoes and feeling what they feel. Empathy is the bridge that connects hearts and minds, enabling you to forge deep connections and demonstrate genuine understanding. Sample scenario. A friend confides in you about a tough day at work. Instead of offering quick solutions, you empathize by saying, "I can imagine how frustrating that must have been. I'm here to listen and support you." Segment 2: Crafting the Art of Captivating Oratory. Confidence. Imagine standing before an audience, radiating confidence and conviction. When you believe in your message, your audience believes in you. Straighten your posture, maintain steady eye contact, and let your voice resonate with assurance. Sample scenario. You're delivering a presentation at work. You start with a firm stance, make eye contact with different sections of the room, and speak with unwavering confidence, immediately capturing your audience's attention. Storytelling mastery. Visualize a story unfolding before your audience's eyes, keeping them engaged and eager for more. Incorporate personal anecdotes and relatable examples that evoke emotions and make your message memorable. Sample scenario. During a family gathering, you share a humorous incident from your recent vacation. Your animated storytelling captivates everyone, leading to laughter and shared memories. Melodic vocal cadence. Envision your voice as an instrument, capable of creating a symphony of emotions. Play with your tone, pace, and volume to emphasize crucial points, infusing your words with depth and resonance. Sample scenario. While leading a team meeting, you modulate your voice to convey excitement about a new project, lower it to emphasize challenges, and gradually increase the pace to build anticipation for upcoming milestones. Expressive body language. Envision yourself as a conductor, using gestures, facial expressions, and movements to enhance your message. Each movement adds a layer of meaning, emphasizing your words and keeping your audience enthralled. Sample scenario. As you discuss the benefits of a healthy lifestyle during a public speaking event, you use open gestures to illustrate vitality, mirror your audience's expressions to foster connection, and move around the stage to maintain engagement. Segment 3: Evolving through practice and dedication. The art of rehearsal. Imagine dedicating time each day to refine your communication skills. Record your speeches, analyze them objectively, and make conscious improvements to your tone, clarity, and gestures. Sample scenario. You record yourself explaining a complex topic and notice areas where you can improve your enunciation and pacing. You re-record, applying these adjustments and observing your progress. Constructive feedback loop. Visualize a circle of mentors, peers, and even your audience providing constructive criticism. This feedback loop serves as a guide, helping you identify blind spots and refine your approach. Sample scenario. After giving a presentation at a workshop, you approach a colleague for feedback. They offer suggestions to enhance your slide transitions and suggest ways to further engage the audience. Community of growth. Envision yourself joining a public speaking group, a place of shared learning and growth. Here, you engage with fellow enthusiasts, participate in practice sessions, and exchange insights. Sample scenario. You attend a local public speaking club where you practice impromptu speaking exercises. You receive encouragement from peers, learn new techniques, and witness your confidence steadily increase. Conclusion: a voyage of transformation. As we conclude this immersive journey into the realms of exceptional social skills and captivating oratory, remember that mastery is a continuous voyage, not an isolated destination. Every successful speaker started as a novice, honing their skills with dedication and resilience. Embark on your path to eloquence with confidence, embrace the power of connection through empathy and active listening, and harness the magic of storytelling, vocal variety, and expressive body language. By cultivating these skills, seeking feedback, and nurturing a community of growth, you're primed to become a remarkable communicator, someone who leaves a lasting impact and inspires change. Thank you for being a part of this exploration, and may your endeavors to enhance your social skills and oratory prowess be both rewarding and transformative.